So this song is something I kind of dreamt up when we were traveling and mapping the Motorcycle Cannonball. So see if you like it or not. Another mile, a different road on the Cannonball. Another city, a different town on the Cannonball. Another state, a different law on the Cannonball. Miles behind me, miles ahead on the Cannonball. Hear the rumble in the trees on the Cannonball. The mountains, deserts in between on the Cannonball. Oceans where we start and end on the Cannonball. Come along and make new friends on the Cannonball. From one gas station to the next on the Cannonball. Full tank, but will it last on the Cannonball. Roads are nasty, some are nice on the Cannonball. Trying to make every mile on the Cannonball. Another turn, what did I pass on the Cannonball? Missed my turn, went too far on the Cannonball. No time to waste, no time to rest on the Cannonball. Stopped at Buc-ee's, took too long on the Cannonball. No regrets, no what ifs on Cannonball. Dare to dream, don't look back on the Cannonball. Dare to travel where few go on the Cannonball. On old machines from long ago on the Cannonball. Two-lane back roads, here we go on the Cannonball. New adventures at every turn on the Cannonball. Come ride and find yourself on the Cannonball. It becomes your life, your love, your soul. This thing they call the Motorcycle Cannonball. If you like this song, I'll see you on the Motorcycle Cannonball.